that other shit. That'd be the hard part of being out here. Yeah, like you get like. We gonna get here. No, they just looking. That's all. They just looking at you.
They always look at me like that. Always. Because of this camera.
Uh-huh.
They say, what are you doing? I can't run and snatch it off his neck. That's gonna be a problem. They have to come and stick me up to get it. If they do that, let it stay. Come on, let's go back to the room.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
It doesn't matter. I don't have a preference. Oh, Lord. Gotta keep it moving. I can't, They on that soccer, man. I like that. I like that.
Rowdy all night. Y'all go to sleep up like teenagers and shit.
Beautiful. No doubt.
Oh, it say 38 on this.
It said 38X.
He didn't say 38X.
No, he said 38. I don't see no, but I don't see no, never mind, that's their job.
Yeah.
Find that, that's their job.
They got final dudes. They don't look like they have much.
There he is, sitting down. Yeah, we're looking for 38.
Further down.
Aí 38. 48 aqui.
So it's for the guy. You found him? That's the guy?
That ain't
That ain't the guy. Tá quebrado o meu. Tá nascendo lá. Been like this all this morning, man.
This shit is crazy, boy.
A rapper.
Vai ser o filho. Poxa, gente.
Yeah, Whatever you do, don't let your shit.
Alô, picolé.
Finish with it, put it in your pocket.
What's that?
Any of your shit.
Oh, hell yeah.
You hear me, Tyler? Ipanema, down Carnaval. It is what it is. If you ain't here, probably ain't nowhere.
Aqui agora. Grava nós. Aqui para do vovô.
20, 30 minutes. Get you. Okay. G8 by 10.
C8. He said C8.
8.
3-8. 3. This is nice as hell. I gotta get this one high tall. It's crazy, all these people. Like, and then they just walk by.
Toma ali, quer pegar?
Chama uma tasca, vou apoiar. Maravilhoso.
I'm not good with the soccer ball.
Hey, let's go see your boy now.
I'm good with whatever you want to do.
Let's go to this.
Shit, I think I just sky. Motherfucking backs. You know, just long ass sky. Yeah, they looking at your ass.
É, pô, foi o que eu falei pra tu, cara. Vem, my friend.
Three chairs and umbrella.
2 chairs e uma umbrella, 3 cadeiras e um guarda-sol. 4 grandes. Eu e Yasmin, chega aqui, cara.
Good price.
Sério? Aqui, cai tudo. Aí, pegou a visão ali que eu falei, mano. Você tá pensando que você é embaixo, né? Vale.
Água.
Vale.
Pô, vem, mano.
It's a lot of people.
We're going to do 3 caipirinhas and 3 waters. 3 limão caipirinha, 3 água.
Good português.
Okay, listen. Not too sweet. No mucho azúcar.
No cigarro.
Azúcar. Poquito, but not a lot. Okay?
Caipirinha.
3 caipirinhas, 3 água.
Aí, 3 cadeiras.
Na hora que vai ser aquela coisa.